Calculate the current in an electric toaster if it takes 9.0 times 10 to the power of 2 of charge to toast 2 slices of bread in 1.5 minutes. We need to find out the current. Current is delta Q divided by time. That's electric current in terms of ampere, delta Q in terms of coulomb, and T in terms of second. So I will be 9.0 times 10 to the power of 2 coulomb divided by 1.5 times 60, because we need to convert minute to seconds. So it's going to be 900 divided by 90, which is going to be 10 amps. So that's how we calculate the electric current in terms of ampere.